When you offer creative services, you want to focus on capturing great work and growing your client base, not chasing follow-ups, re-explaining deliverables, or managing payments across multiple tools. But many businesses end up stitching together different systems just to make everything work. This often means more admin, more costs, and a fragmented client experience. And sometimes it even leads to lost opportunities. For example, a designer gets inquiries but loses the client because it's not clear what happens next. Or a consultant gets strong referrals, but their proposals feel disconnected from their brand and it's hard to actually collect payment. What successful businesses often have in common is a clear, connected client experience. This is where Squarespace comes in. With Squarespace, you can bring the entire client journey into one place, from the moment someone discovers your business to booking, communication, and payment. You can drive growth to attract the right clients and then present your services or programs clearly. Create a consistent brand across proposals, documents, payments, and communication. And give clients a simple path to book, schedule, and pay. When the experience feels clear and easy, people are far more likely to move forward, book, and come back again. This video is the start of a new series where we explore how different types of businesses grow and retain clients with Squarespace. We'll share practical strategies to help you win more clients, deliver a better experience, and grow your business. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.